Hello students, now let us concentrate and finish with our lesson number 7 of our supplementary reader, The Last Leaf, which is written by O. Henry. And we had come to the point when Johnsy, she realizes that the way she behaved with Sue by making her worried about her health, she was really very a bad girl. What she says, I have been a bad girl. You have looked after me so lovingly and I have not cooperated with you. I have been depressed and gloomy. The last leaf had shown me how wicked I have been. I have realized that it is a sin to want to die. So this is how she realized that she was not at all behaved properly with her friend and with herself. So how? She, because of the last leaf which was there on the Ivy creeper, that last leaf has made her think that you should not lose hope in yourself. You should always think positively. You should always be optimistic in your life in very extreme situations also. So Sue hugged Johnsy. Then she gave her lots of hot soup and a mirror. Johnsy combed her hair and smiled brightly. So finally she had a food and she made herself proper. She combed her hair. She looked into the mirror and she smiled brightly. So this is what we need. What do we need to do? We need to look good in not the way how society wants us to look, but when you are happy with yourself, then you are happy. You are happy from within, from the bottom of your heart you are happy. When you love yourself. So love yourself, think positive, be optimistic. Then only you will be leading your life happily and satisfactorily. In the afternoon, the doctor came after examining his patient. He told Sue, Johnsy now has the will to live. I am confident she will recover soon. Now I must go downstairs and see Bearman. He is also suffering from pneumonia, but I am afraid there is no hope for him. So, doctor visits to examine his patient Johnsy, and after examining he found that now Johnsy has had will to live, and he is quite confident that now she will recover. But he was worried about Bearman because Bearman was also suffering from pneumonia, and doctor was afraid that there is no hope for Bearman because already he was 60 years of old. That means he was pretty old to deal with pneumonia. So he had no hope for Bearman. The next morning, Sue came and sat on Johnsy's bed. Taking Johnsy's hand in hers, she said, I have something to tell you. Mr. Bearman died of pneumonia this morning. He was ill for only 2 days. The first day, the janitor found him on his bed. His clothes and shoes were wet and he was shivering. He had been out in the stormy night. The next morning, Sue came to know that Bearman had died because of pneumonia. Only 2 days the person was suffering from pneumonia, and he died out of that. The janitor means a person who looks after the cleanliness and everything of the building. He found Bearman lying on his bed. Literally he was shivering, his body, his clothes were wet, and because of that and this shows that the person Bearman was out of his house at night. He was there, he got wet in the rain, and because of that he got pneumonia and he died because of that. Then they found a ladder and a lantern still lighted lying near his bed. There were also some brushes and green and yellow paints on the floor near the ladder. Johnsy dear, said Sue, look out of the window. Look at that ivy leaf. Haven't you wondered why it doesn't flutter when the wind blows? That's Bearman's masterpiece. He painted it the night the last leaf fell. That means the Ivy creeper's last leaf, which was still young and green and healthy, that was a masterpiece painted by Bearman. he was there in the night. He painted that leaf. He got wet because he wanted to paint the live leaf, a leaf which should look real. And he took that effort just because Johnsy should have the will to live. She should have the desire to live. And because of her, he sacrificed his life. Because he got wet in that rain at night, he got pneumonia and he did not live. He died. So he sacrificed his life for Johnsy, and finally he had painted that masterpiece which he desired to do when he was alive. And that masterpiece was that last leaf which he had painted for Johnsy. And see, this is the thing: live for others. Okay, whatever you do, do for the others' happiness. For I'm not saying do entire you should sacrifice your entire life for others, but do one thing or the other which is very special for others. Okay, which is not at all important. It was not Behrman's duty to make Johnsy feel better, but he did so because he wanted to give that hope to Johnsy that she was not supposed to die at such a young age, and because of pneumonia, not at all. So what he did, he got an idea, and he went out into the night, and he painted that beautiful leaf on the wall, so real that Johnsy really felt it was a real leaf, and she lived, and Behrman, he died. So this is the story all about. Think positive, have positive thoughts in your mind, and be happy all the time. Stay contented, stay satisfactory in your life. Whatever you have, stay happy. Then only you will be happy from within. Okay, you're showing that you're happy, and within you're thinking, no, I'm not having this thing in my life, I'm not having that thing in my life, my friend is having, what should I do? If you think all the time in this way, you are not going to be happy. If you think, oh, whatever I have in my life, I am so happy with all those things, my parents, my siblings, my friends, my teachers, whatever is there in my surrounding, I'm happy with that, then you will be really very happy in your life. So start living in this way. You will change your entire life. Change your outlook. See, your life will be happier than ever. So this is the story of the moral of the story that we have learned from the last leaf. I hope you have understood. Please watch both the videos, read the chapter, read this lesson in the textbook. Go through the summary in the refresher, deal with the difficult words, note them down in your notebook, and don't forget to learn the question answers of this story from the refresher. Leave your comments in the comment section, and please watch the video. If you have not understood it, please watch it again and again. Until then, thank you.